This then is the brand new Volkswagen Golf eTSI. And what does the E stand for, I hear you ask? Well, it stands for electrification, and it's part of Volkswagen's new mild hybrid range. So without further ado, let's jump into it and see what this is all about. With this being in the mild hybrid range, there's no need to plug in whatsoever. So under the hood of this model is a 1.5 petrol engine coupled with a 48 volt system. So the special drive feature is that the petrol engine is supported by a 48 volt belt driven starter alternator and of course the 48 volt lithium ion battery. This means that the eTSI allows a vehicle to coast with the combustion engine switched off, and it will also recuperate energy when the vehicle is braked, meaning that the eTSI is more economical and conventional than the standard TSI. So then onto the exterior design, and while it looks absolutely amazing finished in moonstone grey, which is quite a striking paint colour, especially with the addition of the gorgeous gloss black trim found all over the front of the vehicle. Up front you've got fantastic LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and dynamic range control, helping you throughout a wide range of driving conditions, ultimately increasing your confidence on the road at night. And you've got those 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels which really do work well with that moonstone grey paintwork. And as you come to the rear of the vehicle, you've got additional gloss black trim on the lower door sills, rear privacy glass which is perfect for your backseat passengers too, and eagle-eye viewers will have also spotted that this model has a sliding panoramic roof which ultimately transforms the interior, but more on that later. And the rear design doesn't disappoint either. Straight off the bat you've got the rear integrated body coloured roof spoiler which flows into the continued rear privacy glass, and you've got these dynamic rear lights which look super stylish, and if you look close enough they've actually got the Golf logo integrated into them. Lower down still you've got all the chrome model designation and yet more gloss black accents found on the rear diffuser with the chrome exhaust tips which look absolutely phenomenal. Sitting inside the interior, and while this really is a lovely place to be, it gives you a sense of freedom thanks to the spaciousness, and that's partly down to the opening panoramic roof which lets lots of light into the cabin, as you may be able to see, and there's also lots of premium materials found throughout. This really is the perfect driving environment. Talking about driving, the driver is presented with a gorgeous flat bottomed multifunctional leather trim steering wheel with lots of different functional controls such as voice activation. Got a heated steering wheel functionality which is perfect throughout the cold winter months, cruise control options, and the ability to customize the full digital instrument cluster. This gives you a wide array of layouts to choose from, suiting your driving style, and also presents you with all the driving data you need to get to your next destination safely. Talking about displays, to the left of me is another responsive colour touchscreen display which is really easy to use and comes packed full of different applications such as DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity and satellite navigation, so that you'll never get lost. Lower down still you've got the different driving modes and climate control options, and you've also got a state-of-the-art wireless charging platform which is really easy to charge your phone with. You've also got the dynamic, nicely laid out gear selection with the start-stop button, electronic handbrake, cup holders and additional armrest storage too. Not to mention you've also got heated seats which is just perfect when you're a little bit chilly. The rear interior echoes that of the front. It's an exceptional place to be. The rear passengers can benefit from the part leather seats with integrated ISOFIX points which make fitting child seat fixings really easy. The rear passengers can also benefit from a retractable centre armrest, rear air vents and 2 USB-C charging ports, not to mention the copious amounts of legroom and headroom. Boot space wise, well, the eTSI Golf gives you around 380 litres of boot space, which is plentiful, allowing you to go on a long weekend away or going on a large shopping spree with. Furthermore, if that's not enough space, you can also fold down the rear seats, greatly increasing your boot capacity. What is it like to drive? Well, it's everything you expect from a Golf and more. It's fun, sporty and dynamic, thanks to that 48 volt system providing instant acceleration for that perfect drive. So then I hope this gives you a better insight into the phenomenal Volkswagen Golf eTSI. It certainly is a phenomenal car. It looks great, it's packed full of lots of technology, advanced assist systems, and its performance is pretty punchy too. But don't take my word for it, do arrange a test drive or head to our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can find out more about it. Until next time, see you later.